Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to add passions in your Tinder profile using Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Initially, what we need to do is simply go to our profile. At the top left, here's a button like this, including your profile picture and your name. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. As we do want to add passion, that means we want to edit our info. Let's click on the edit info button right here. And right here, below the bio, you'll see something called as passions. Just below the passions tab, you'll see the add passions button. Simply click on it, then this page will open up. It will have a list of passions. You can select whichever one you wish. I'm gonna select a few right now. Well, as you can see, I have selected about 5 of them. Once everything's okay, simply hit undone. As you can see, the passions have been added. Now, let's simply click on save. And guys, there you go. I'm simply gonna scroll down. And as you can see, passions have been added to my Tinder profile. Well guys, that's it. That's how you add passions to your Tinder profile using Tinder PC. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.